Hey yo, good morning Paris and welcome to another vlog. And yes, I'm uploading consecutively 2 days. And guys, it feels so good doing vlog again for you guys, because like I was not able to do vlogs as you guys know, but now I'm doing vlogs not every single day, but yeah, I am going to upload a little bit more. And also I'm going to upload some challenges now, because now the lockdown is over, the lockdown is ended, so yeah, I can upload some challenges, I can get stuff for my challenges. So stay tuned, go subscribe the channel. And yeah guys, let's start with the day.
Guys, oh my god, just look at the weather, bro. Like I was sitting inside editing my video, and just look at this, guys. It started raining so hard, like within a second, guys. Oh my god, bro. I'm literally like shouting in the mic of the camera. Like this is how, I don't know how, like the volume or you can hear the rain or not, but bro, this is so loud, bro. Like this just started right now. The weather was clear, and bro, I don't know how, but the rain started. Like, oh my god, guys, just look at this. Because, and also I don't want my camera to get wet, bro. Like if this camera gets wet, all the clips all are gone, bro. Guys, just see this, guys. Oh my god, bro, it's not rained over here for like so long, and now it's rained after so many months, and just look how hard it's raining, bro. The weather changed like within a second, guys. And like this weather is known as a good weather over here, because it was so hot, and now because of this rain, actually the weather is going to be a little bit cozy, a little bit like pleasant. So that's good, guys. Oh my god.
And also guys, like if you want me to do challenges or pranks, so please go write it in the comments what you guys want me to do, any challenge, any prank, because I'm not able to think. So please go tell me what can I do for our next video, any challenge, any prank on anybody. And also guys, you can hear the noise in the background, right? Because it is raining again, guys. Like the clip I showed you was like 9 o'clock in the morning. Bro, it's raining again. Are you serious? And it is like 5 o'clock in the evening right now. See guys, it's raining again. Like bro, it has rained so much now that like it will probably overflow the roads and all, because in my area the sewage system is not really good, so it's definitely going to fill up the roads. So guys, it's like 6:30 in the evening or something, but me and my friend like Sparsh, we came here to dance at, like, this is my father's old office, and as you guys know, we removed the table and all from here, so it's a really big space to dance. So yeah, we have the Bluetooth speaker and we have all this stuff. So guys, we are done dancing, and it was really tiring. And also because this room does not have a fan or anything, like AC fan, nothing. Just look at us. We are literally, like, I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but we are literally sweating like this. Like, it was really hot in here, so let's head out. So guys, I'm back, and like it was really good, like doing physical exercise again, doing dance, and I played badminton yesterday, as you guys saw, bro. Like, I am the person, like, when this lockdown was not there, like I used to play so much badminton, I used to dance, I used to play badminton, I used to like do a lot of physical exercise. Not only me, all of my friends, like you saw Sparsh, yeah, in yesterday's vlog you saw Manav, my duo who was playing badminton with me. And also guys, like, we all are so much into physical exercise and all, so bro, it feels so good playing badminton and dancing again. And guys, like, if you want to see a dance video, so please leave a like, leave a comment down below if I should upload a dance video or not. And also guys, like, wait, what is it time, let me see. Yeah, so guys, it is currently 9:10 p.m. right now.
So yeah, it's pretty late, but no problem. I'm just gonna go have some dinner, and then guys, let's see what I usually play some Fortnite, as you guys know, in the night. But yeah, let's see if I can do something interesting. Well guys, that is going to wrap up the video over there. It's been a crazy weather, it's been a crazy video, and also please subscribe to the channel, go like the video, go comment down below what you want me to do in the next video, any challenge, any prank on anyone guys. And with that said, I'm Swayam, I'm an out. Peace.